Hello YouTube, and I am back again today with some new stuff. And sorry in advance for any noise. I do have a dog beside me, so he might be, if he falls asleep, he might start snoring. Anyways, I bought some stuff, as you can see. Um, this is a new motorcycle helmet. I've only ever had Icon helmets. I have the Icon Alliance Dark, the Icon Variant Battle Scar, and the Icon Airform Resurgence Red. Try and say that a million times. um, but I thought I was having to look through Icon's sort of, I guess, inventory or designs, and the only one that really stood out to me was another variant, um, which I already have, so I don't really need another one. And I thought, you know what? I have my variant that I use sometimes, but not very often. And then I have my Airform Resurgence Red and my Alliance Dark set up for moto vlogging. So I have all the GoPro mounts and all that, and the mics and all that set up on them. And I was like, you know what? I really should just get just a riding helmet. Just something that whenever I hop on the bike and just want to go somewhere, I'll pop this on and off I go. And so it's my first sort of trial outside of Icon. Icon's always been a good experience. I will always continue to be an Icon fan. But this one came up and it was a good deal, and I couldn't find it anywhere. Kind of like the Airform Resurgence Red. Apparently, Canada just doesn't have motorcycle inventory, so this one I had to order. It came from the States, and yeah. So they still make this helmet, but they I don't think they make this color anymore, or at least if they do, there's no inventory in Canada. So it's been fun. But yeah, so this is the AGV K1. Sorry, I'm just gonna stand up. This is the AGV K1, and I'm just gonna open this up here and lift this out. Move that back. So it comes in this handy little bag. As you can see, it's got this like fin on the back here. A second, I will actually open it up. And I'm just trying not to drop it here, because I find with matte colors, if you drop them, they're gonna mark. And I know all helmets mark, but this one's brand new. So this is the AVG K1. Sorry, I'm just gonna lift this up and see if I can get a little bit better angle there. AVG K1 in it's like kind of a flat gray metallic. It's got this cool fin on the back. Tons of venting on this thing, which is sort of what I wanted. I wanted lots of venting. So I'm just going to put that camera down. I got a size large. Now, if this didn't fit, which I already tried it on, it does fit. But if this didn't fit, it's not a big deal, because you just take the pads out and you put in extra large pads in, because it's actually the same shell. They only make two different shells. So this is actually kind of cool, because you have these vents here. You have the ability to pop this up. Sorry, it's a little tight. Pop this up, which just cracks the visor a little bit. And then you have these vents here, and then that super vent there. So I wanted something. I like the whole like super vent thing, and I wanted something with a little bit more airflow, something just really comfortable. I have tried it on. My head is a size 60, which is what it's supposed to be in this helmet. It's supposed to be a large, but like I said, once I tried it on, it's comfortable. It squeezes a little tight, but the as it kind of wears in, it will get more and more comfortable. So it should be fine. If I really needed to, I can switch to extra large pads, which will just give me more face room. I did also get this chrome visor, which I might put on. I'm kind of on the fence of get a gold one, get a orange one, get just black. Who knows? I know I don't like the clear. I don't typically like riding in clear visors, but I just thought I'd show you a quick unboxing review of the AGV K1. If you guys have any questions, as always, post them in the comments below. Um, if you just want to interact, post in the comments below. But obviously, there's a lot more to come. I actually did a quick video the other day, um, and then I went to go edit it, and half of it was missing, so I got to re-record all that. But there's lots more to come, and like always, like, share, comment, help the channel grow, and I'll see you guys later.